All right, I'm going to show you two ways to access your iCloud files on a Windows computer. First, we're going to quickly access iCloud through a browser, and then we'll set up iCloud files to be accessible via the File Explorer on your computer. So, if you want to just do it quick and simple, you could go to iCloud.com on any web browser and log in with your account. I'm doing that right here. It'll ask me to authenticate with the code that gets sent to my other device, which can be an iPhone, iPad, Mac, whatever. Once I put in the code, I can choose to trust this browser, since this is my own personal computer, and that way I don't need to do the two-factor authentication every time. Here we have a pretty nice layout for all things iCloud. I can go to iCloud Drive and access all the files I have there, but there's also dedicated apps for mail, contacts, calendar, photos, notes, basically everything that falls under iCloud, you can access it here. Now, the other way, which requires a bit more setup but is way more convenient, is to download the iCloud app on your computer. We'll start by going to the Microsoft Store and search for iCloud. You'll see an app like this. Just make sure you pick the official one developed by Apple. With this, you can access photos, files, and other important info right on your Windows PC, and it even brings your iCloud keychain on your Windows computer. The app is completely free, so you'll just download it and let the installer finish. Alright, that took a while, but the installation's done. I'll click Open, allow the app to run, and we can close the Microsoft Store. Then, just log in with your Apple ID, and once again, since we're accessing personal files on a new device, it'll ask for a verification code sent to my other devices. I'll authenticate here with the code and log into my Apple account through this app. It'll walk you through a little setup assistant and first offers to sync your iCloud photos with Windows Photos, but I'll pass on that for now. You can also sync your iCloud Drive to File Explorer, which is what I want, so I'll do that. And like I said, you can even sync your passwords from iCloud to your Windows PC, which is actually a great addition since, as an iPhone user, I have a lot of passwords saved in iCloud, and every now and then I want to use those accounts and passwords when I'm on my Windows computer. For the passwords specifically, it'll take you to a browser and prompt you to install a small browser extension called iCloud Passwords. Basically requires a plugin for your browser so your browser can autofill any saved accounts and passwords when you're accessing different websites. So I'm going to go ahead and get that set up as well. This is all developed by Apple themselves, so it's safe and secure to use. Once I'm done with the passwords, we'll move on. It'll offer to sync my bookmarks, which I'm going to skip for now, but if you want your iCloud bookmarks synced to your Windows computer, you can do that too. And if you change your mind later, you can always come back and sync more stuff later. Now you can see iCloud runs on the computer as its own little app, and this is where you can control everything we just set up. I chose not to sync iCloud photos, but if I wanted to change that later, I could come here and enable it. The nice thing about this is that my iCloud Drive is now part of File Explorer. So when I go to File Explorer, on the left side where I have all my volumes, there's now a dedicated volume for iCloud Drive. And anything within my iCloud Drive, I can access right through here. I can right-click and share files through here, and this status icon shows whether a file is in the cloud or synced locally on your computer. So, for example, this one. If I open the document, it gets downloaded locally on my hard drive, and the little icon next to it changes to indicate that the file isn't only in the cloud anymore, it's been now synced to my hard drive as well. Overall, having your files here makes it a lot easier to manage them compared to dealing with a browser window. Anyways, that is how you access your iCloud files on a Windows computer. Click that like button if this video helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this one. Thanks all, I'll see you in the next one.